Hello students, very good morning. You all are welcome in grade 8. Today's new chapter, that is chapter number 12, friction. So I request you all the students, page number 145, please open the science textbooks and start the term friction. You might have seen the driver of a car or a truck slowing down the vehicles at a traffic signals. You too slow down your bicycle whenever you need by applying brakes. So when you ever thought why the vehicle slow down and when brakes are applied, not only vehicle, any object moving over the surface of another objects slow down when no external force is applied in it. Finally it stops. So have you not seen the moving ball on the ground stopping after some time? Why do we slip when we step on a banana peel? Why is it difficult to walk on the smooth and wet floor? Now these all are the examples where you can see some force is applied there when the vehicle's speed slowed down. When the person is moving or when the ball is moving, when the person is slipping on the surface of that uh, smooth area, you can see the boy who is slipping on the surface where the surface is smooth. So when he steps on the banana peel, he just slowed down, he just slept down. Why? One of the force is applied. When the ball is running, after some time it stops. When the brake is applied, the vehicle becomes stop after some time. Why? Because certain type of force is created, and that force, that is known as frictional force. So today we are going to start the topic friction. So in frictions, exactly what happen? The definition of frictions. To understand, over here you see, here you can see the friction opposes the relative motion between the surface of book and the table. Correct. So friction opposes the relative motion between the surface of book and the table. So when you shift the book, you can find that some force is applied. After some time, book cannot move. Why book cannot move? Because opposite relative motion, opposite force is created. Right? So friction opposes the relative motion between the surface of the book and the table. Here you see force of friction. Let's be study activity 12.1. Gently push a book on the table. You observe that it stops after moving for some distance. Repeat this activity pushing the book from the opposite directions. Does the book stop this time too? Can you think of an explanation? Can we see that a force must be acting on the book opposite its motion? This force is called force of friction. So force of friction means a force must be acting on the opposite its motion. That's why that particular object stops on that place. Now you show that if you apply the force along the left, friction acts along the right. And you apply the force along the right, the friction acts on left direction. In both the cases, the force opposes the motion of the book. So the force of friction always opposite the applied force. So in above activity, the force of friction act between the surface of the book and surface of the table. Okay. So is the frictions the same for all the surfaces? Does it depend on the smoothness of the surfaces? Let's find, right? So whether the friction which is depend on, whether it depends on the surfaces, let's we see this. Now the next topic, factors affecting frictions. For that purpose, let's start activity number 12.2. Tie a string around a brick. Pull the brick by a spring balance. You need to apply some force. Note down the reading on the spring balance when the brick just begin to move. It gives you a measure of the force of friction between the surface of the brick and floor. Now student, here you can see the spring is there and brick is there. A brick is being pulled by the spring balance. So now wrap a piece of polyethylene around the brick and repeat the activity. First of all, brick is there and brick is pulling, right? So brick surface is rough. Now you wrap the piece of polythene around the brick and repeat the activity. Do you observe any difference in the reading of the spring balance in the above two cases? So when you apply the force by wrapping the bricks, that wrapper, it is smooth surface, correct? So from that smooth surface,